AfterSpa, Facial Micro Scrubber, 1 Scrubber. Product Overview Description. For healthy and smooth skin, clinically tested, not tested on animals, the ultimate exfoliation for face and neck. A more effective cleaning than using just your hands alone. Suggested use: wet and apply your favorite soap or body wash to the scrubber and massage all over your face and neck to clean and exfoliate your skin. For best results, replace every 60 days. Other ingredients. Contents: 1 piece. Fabric: cotton, polyester, nylon. Filling: sponge. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.